In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play career mode in eFootball 23 PlayStation 5 and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you can see, I am recording this video on my PC, but don't worry, anything that I say here is also going to apply for the PlayStation 4 version of the game. This mode is the same across all platforms, so you will be able to follow my steps regardless. So, how do we access the career mode option in eFootball 23 or 24? First, if you go over to the home screen and you choose the match option, we will be able to browse through all of the main modes. So they have Events, eFootball League, My League, Quick Match, Friend Match, and finally Trial Match. Now, from title alone, none of these refer to career mode. So what do we have to do? Well, you might assume that eFootball League would be the career mode, but as you can clearly tell by the description, this is actually PvP matches, player versus players, and if you access this, you will get more confirmation. You will be able to climb among the divisions by playing against other people of similar skill level. So with this information out of the way, how do we actually access career mode? Do we have to go through a different menu? Do we have to go over to the settings, invite a friend, something like that? Well, sadly, as it stands today, for whatever reason, eFootball does not feature career mode. It has no career mode of any sorts, and because of this, it is impossible to do career mode. The game focuses on multiplayer matches around team building and around these events, and you will be able to climb among the ranks. Because of this, they do not have a traditional career mode, even though fans have been asking for a while. You will be able to browse through these modes, but besides them, it is impossible to do anything else. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that eFootball nowadays does not offer a career mode. Unless they add career mode as an option with a future update, it is going to remain impossible to do it. If this video cleared up any questions that you had on how to play career mode in eFootball 23 PlayStation 5, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.